Hello guys, in today's tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to change your Likee username. So if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, subscribe, share and hit the notification bell in order not to miss my upcoming tutorials. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. So the first thing you need to do is that you need to log in to your Likee account, after which you click on what me. Once you are there, you simply click on Likee ID. Once you get there, you click on Likee ID again, after which you simply need to insert your words, the username you want to use for your account. And you need to know that you can only change this username after 1 year. So after which I will simply click on what? Save. So guys, that is the way you change your Likee username. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial.